April 22nd is the Earth Day, an international event celebrated around the world to pledge support for environmental protection. The year 2021 marks the 51st anniversary to this event. In 2009, the United Nations designated April 22nd as International Mother Earth Day. The theme for this year's Earth Day is Restore Our Earth. Earth Day was first observed in 1970 when 20 million took to the streets to protest against environmental degradation. The event was triggered by the 1969 Santa Barbara oil spill as well as other issues such as smog and polluted rivers. For over the next 5 decades, Earth Day continued to play an important role in environmental activism. Earth Day aims to build the world's largest environmental movement to drive transformative change for people and the planet. The movement's mission is to diversify, educate, and activate the environmental movement worldwide. According to the United Nations, International Mother Earth Day is celebrated to remind each of us that the Earth and its ecosystem provides us with life and sustenance. This day also recognizes a collective responsibility to promote harmony with nature and the earth to achieve the right balance among the economic, social, and environmental needs of present and future generations of humanity. This day provides an opportunity to raise public awareness around the world to the challenges regarding the well-being of the planet and all the life it supports. According to the website earthday.org, this year's theme focuses on natural processes, emerging green technologies, and innovative thinking that can restore the world's ecosystems. In this way, the theme rejects the notion that migration or adaptation are the only ways to address climate change. It is up to each and every one of us to restore our earth, not just because we care about the natural world, but because we live on it. We all need a healthy earth to support our jobs, livelihoods, health and survival and happiness. A healthy planet is not an option, it is a necessity. With COVID-19 disturbing every single person or life around the world in every possible way, it is important not to forget about our nature. Many argue that because of the lockdowns or self-isolations, the pollution created by us, the humans, has reduced significantly. That might be true to some extent, but the important thing is that we shouldn't forget to continue the good that was happening to our environment when we are not coming out into the world. Universe is not infinite. We are just a small part of a larger universe, and we are lucky to be a part of maybe the only intelligent life form out there. In some billion years, the natural elements will eliminate us from existence. The sun will run out of gas, it will expand beyond us and take Earth and the other planet with it as it dies. We cannot control those kind of things, but if we have to survive to that point and let our future generations feel happy, secured, and healthy, we have to act now and keep our nature safe for survival. I wish everyone a happy Earth Day. Restore our world for today and for tomorrow.